You all have been asking for how I make my zucchini pancakes, and I have a variety of them, but this is the most simplistic one that I'm doing today. So we'll start by grating the zucchini. And this is an easy pancake to make. I love it. It's a delicious way to get the kids to eat more veggies, and of course the adults. I am going to grate this and toss with a little bit of salt to drain the water. And for this recipe, I'm using 3 medium-sized zucchini. If you have all the kids, you can have them do this. And the last zucchini. Okay. So, and this right here is an important part, because we totally need to drain the liquid. I am going to add, normally I would just say a pinch of salt, but might be half a teaspoon of salt. And I'll let this sit while I prep my other ingredients. I'll let that sit for a while. Again, I have salt in here. While my zucchini is sweating, I am going to grate my cheese. I'm using Parmesan cheese. And I need about half a cup, not much. Again, this is something that the kiddos can help. Normally I would eyeball, but because I want you guys to have the right recipe so you can replicate it at home. The powerful superfood, that's garlic, why we need it in our diet, especially during a time like this, or any time when you're trying to, be healthy. So here is another opportunity to add garlic. And I am going to mince my garlic. And after, I would still finely chop it with a knife to just make sure I don't have any huge pieces. Fresh thyme is also a medicinal herb that I love. It doesn't just add flavor to food. It's actually such an immune booster, antimicrobial. I love thyme. I put it to almost everything. You're going to enjoy it in this pancake. So my cheese, garlic, about a teaspoon of fresh thyme. You can go up to a tablespoonful if you like. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. My thyme is washed. I would say a teaspoon. A little bit of fresh ground black pepper. So I am going to whisk my egg first. And here goes my garlic, fresh thyme, and black pepper, and half a cup of cheese. And you can see how much water. This, you don't want to skip this part. If not, you end up with soggy zucchini pancake. You can see how much water is coming out. I'm going to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. As you don't have a cheesecloth at home, you can use a clean kitchen towel. You can use just your hands. The idea at the end of the day is to squeeze out as much water as you can. And this water you can add to your broth. You can use it to boil rice. You can drink it if you want. It's zucchini water. We don't just need it in the pancake because it makes it super soggy. I think this is as much as I can get out. If you're making zucchini pancakes at home and it doesn't come out well, you have to check this process. Make sure that you're not leaving too much liquid. Okay. So our squeezed zucchini, we add it in. I also am adding half a cup of whole wheat flour, and I am going to mix this together, and we will be ready to cook this on the skillet. And to fry, I use an ice cream, a 4-ounce ice cream scooper to get this, and just on medium heat, you can see how they come out. And I am just going to finish frying everything else. Ta-da! And here is our final product, zucchini pancake. You can eat this with applesauce, with some whipped cream, whatever you want. Or for us African people, we can put some pepper sauce on it. This is mwah. See you next time.